Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to keep your Cash App safe. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, we are going to go and be opening up our official Cash App application. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you can do is go to the App Store to download it. So open up your App Store on your mobile phone, go ahead and search for the Cash App application in the search bar, and once you find the application, you can get started with installing it. So once you have installed the application, you'll be greeted by this main page, but first we need to log into our account. So what you want to do is go ahead and log in with your phone number or login details. If you do not already have an account, you'll be greeted by this home page right here where you can get started creating an account. So you can enter in your phone or email, get started. Once you log in, you'll be greeted by this main page where you can take a look at your cash balance, your savings, and all the other settings that you have. And now we can get started with keeping our account safe. So basically guys, what are the options that we have for keeping our account safe so nobody can get into it? Well, basically guys, it all revolves around two things. First things first guys is to go ahead and make sure your password is strong, and alongside your password being strong, you want to add a two-factor authentication. So you always want to go ahead and get a confirmation code on your SMS or a message for when you want to log into your account. So anybody that doesn't have your code cannot log in, and this is how you're going to keep your account safe. Second thing guys is to never click on any links. Cash App never gives away free money. There is no kind of events and bonuses going on in Cash App. So if you see anybody claiming they're going to give you money on Cash App, it's a scam and you never want to fall for that. You never want to give your account to anybody. Don't click any suspicious links and so on. So always keep those two things in mind and you're going to be safe. And basically that's all you can do to keep your account safe. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching. Take care and bye.